You favor man with perception and teach mankind understanding. Grant us from your wisdom understanding and knowledge. Blessed are you, Lord, granter of perception, and cause us to return, our Father, to your Torah, and bring us near, our King, to your service, and bring us back in wholehearted repentance before you. Blessed are you, Lord, who desires penitence. Therefore pardon us, our Father, for we have sinned, we have transgressed, for you are a good and forgiving God. Blessed are you, Lord, gracious one, who pardons abundantly. Look, please, upon our affliction and defend our cause, and redeem us speedily with complete redemption, for the sake of your name, because you are a mighty Redeemer. Blessed are you, Lord, Redeemer of Israel. Heal us, Lord, and we will be healed. Deliver us, and we will be delivered. For you are our praise. Grant a cure and healing to all our sickness, and to all our pain, and to all our affliction. Because you are the Almighty King, who is a faithful and merciful healer. Blessed are you, Lord, healer of the sick of his people, Israel. Bless for us, Lord, our God, this year, and all the varieties of its produce for good, and bestow a blessing upon the face of the earth. Satisfy us from your bounty, for you are generous God, who bestows goodness and blesses the years. Blessed are you, Lord, blesser of the years. Sound the great shofar for our liberty, and raise a banner to gather our exiles, and gather us together quickly from the four corners of the earth into our land. Blessed are you, Lord, who gathers the scattered of his people in Israel. Restore our judges as before, and our counselors as at first. Remove from us sorrow and sighing, and reign over us quickly. You, Lord, alone, with kindness and compassion, and make us righteous with righteousness and justice. Blessed are you, Lord, King, lover of righteousness and justice. For informers let there be no hope, and may all wickedness instantly perish. May all your enemies be swiftly cut off, and the insolent may you quickly uproot. Crush, rout, disgrace, and humble, and subdue speedily in our days. Blessed are you, Lord, crusher of enemies, and subduer of the insolent. Upon the righteous, upon the pious, upon the elders of your people, the house of Israel, upon the remnant of their scholars, upon the true proselytes, and upon us may your mercy be aroused, Lord our God. Grant bountiful reward to all who trust in to shame. For in you we have put our trust. Blessed are you, Lord, support and trust of the righteous. And to Jerusalem, your city, return in mercy and dwell therein as you have spoken, and rebuild it soon in our days as an everlasting structure, and speedily establish the throne of David, your servant therein. Blessed are you, Lord, builder of Jerusalem. The sprout of David, your servant, speedily cause to flourish, and exalt his power with your deliverance. For your deliverance we hope all day, and watch for your deliverance. Blessed are you, Lord, who causes to sprout the power of salvation. Merciful Father, hear our voice, Lord our God. Spare us and have compassion on us, and accept our prayers compassionately and willingly. For you are Almighty, who hears prayers and supplications. And from your presence, our King, do not turn us away empty-handed. Be gracious and answer us, and hear our prayer. For you hear the prayers of every mouth of your people, Israel, with compassion. Blessed are you, Lord, who hears prayers. Be pleased, Lord our God, with your people Israel, and pay heed to their prayer, and restore